Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add accordions in WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply click on enter. After that it will take a couple of seconds to open the Chrome browser. Here you can see that we have already opened the Chrome browser, and here you have to simply type in wordpress.com like this and then simply click on enter. After that it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded, and here you can see it has already taken us to our own page. Then you have to simply click on the WordPress icon in the top navigation bar. Here you will get all the sites like this, and then you have to simply go to the dashboard like this. Then here in the left hand side you have to choose the my home option from the, here you can see that we have selected to the my home. Then simply you have to click on the edit site option from the right hand side of quick links, and after that it will simply take you to the site that you are currently editing. Then what you need to do is simply click on the plus icon in the top navigation bar, and once you click on the plus icon it will simply give you the search menu like this. Here you can see, and here you have to simply type in the details option like here. And once you type in the details option, here you can see you have found the details, and you have to just simply choose the first option from here, and you have to simply choose it and drag it to your website. And after that, here you can see you have already pressed the details option from here, and here you have to simply type in the accordions like this. And after that, here you can see you have already typed in the accordion sample, and this is an example. That's how you can easily add an accordion in your WordPress site. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.